know if God is calling you to become a nun or a priest? You will know from reading this book by Juanita Gutierrez, How to Discern if God calls you to monastery life. This lovely book is now available at Amazon in ebook and paperback format. How to Discern if God calls you to monastery life by Juanita Gutierrez. Now available at Amazon in ebook and paperback format. Let's find your vocation in this lovely book of Juanita Gutierrez, How to Discern if God calls you to monastery life. Whether you want to become a priest or a nun, this lovely book by Juanita Gutierrez will help you along your journey. God bless you on your vocation.